finally did it. It's been, I think, 14 years. Oh, that's it, 14. It's been 14 years trying to get to a 118 at Mosport. And today, came out with Kels. And the thing was like a rocket ship. Straight out of the gate. It was like on the rev limiter in 6th gear. Where before it wouldn't even hardly get into 6th gear on the back straight. Did a 19.8. I thought maybe I can find the 8/10ths, and then we went out at the end of the day, and like these tires just kept having more and more and more grip, and it was just like, yeah, I was like in tears at the end. It's like 18.2 on the dash, and you see the video, it's just like the car is just, it's ridiculous. So we finally did it. We got a bottle of champagne Dan Pye bought for us to hold on till this day. So we're gonna have a little celebration. We're gonna spray everyone that's been involved. So Jesse, Fizzer, some other guys that aren't here today, and everyone that helped put everything into this thing. It's still a race car, you know. It doesn't have any crazy aero. It's just a 500 horsepower naturally aspirated GT3 car, and it's going almost as fast as current GT3s, and it's now going faster even than those GT2 cars from 2007, but we kind of made that goal to match those cars of that era. So yeah, pretty pumped, pretty emotional. Usually I don't really care, but this was a big one.